right, so last night you seen that we did everything. So what we need to do now is we gotta throw the tune in this car. So let me upload a tune, and then I gotta get fuel in it, and then we'll see if this thing will crank and fire off. So we got a little bit of an issue. This fuel line is leaking pretty bad. Spraying out of, not the fuel line, is spraying out of the adapter. How much fuel is going to run out? Is it going to stop? I was about to say, I hope it ain't going to empty the whole tank. So everything looks good. Maybe it just wasn't tight. That's actually as tight as it will go. Let's see if we got another fitting, I guess. Or maybe we could double O-ring it. Let's try to double O-ring it, I guess. My hands are so messed up, I can't smell if it's fuel or water. Is it water?
No.
It's fuel? Fuel should be burning your nose. God, it smells like water. It smells like your lotion and water.
First of all,
That's fuel. If you smell that.
it smells the same way. I mean,
Why is it pouring out of my exhaust? I mean, freaking. All right, so spoke with John, called John up, and he said more than likely I've got an injector stuck wide open and it's just flooding the turbo. That's why there was just a ton of fuel. I thought it was water. I got the wife, had her smell it with her fingers, and she said it did not smell like water, that it definitely smelled like fuel. So we are going to pull the injectors tonight, and then Haywood here in Wilmington can clean them. So I should have had it done while it was apart, but we'll go ahead and have everything cleaned, all the injectors cleaned, and then we'll throw them back in there, and then we'll get this thing actually running up to temp. I also have an oil leak over here, right here, that I have no clue where it is coming from at the moment. Let's get underneath here. Oh, well, I forgot a transmission bolt. I have no clue where that is coming from. So I've got to figure that out. Also, where in the world? How is there oil there, but nothing above it? So we got a couple things to figure out.